In this video, we will talk about how to use generative AI for creative tasks, so make sure to watch the full video. Generative AI is revolutionizing the way we approach creativity across various fields, from writing and art to music and game development. By utilizing advanced algorithms and machine learning, generative AI can produce original content that often mirrors human creativity. This technology not only enhances productivity but also opens up new avenues for artistic expression and innovation. As we delve into the applications of generative AI, we will explore its transformative impact on creative tasks, highlighting how it can serve as a valuable collaborator for artists, writers, and designers, ultimately reshaping the creative landscape for future generations. 1. Introduction to generative AI. Generative AI refers to a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content, be it text, images, music, or other forms of media. Unlike traditional AI, which primarily analyzes and processes existing data, generative AI models leverage deep learning techniques to generate original outputs based on learned patterns and structures. This technology has gained significant attention in recent years due to its ability to produce high-quality, creative work that can rival human efforts. From content creation in journalism to generating artwork, generative AI is revolutionizing creative processes and opening up new possibilities for artists, writers, and designers. Understanding its potential and capabilities is essential for harnessing its power effectively in various creative tasks. 2. Understanding the basics of generative AI. At its core, generative AI utilizes advanced algorithms and models to analyze vast datasets and learn the underlying patterns, enabling it to create new content. The most common models used in generative AI include generative adversarial networks, GANs, variational autoencoders, VAs, and transformers. GANs consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, that work in tandem to produce realistic outputs. VAs encode input data into a compressed representation, allowing for the generation of new data points. Transformers, particularly in natural language processing, enable AI to generate coherent and contextually relevant text. Understanding these foundational concepts is crucial for effectively leveraging generative AI in creative tasks, as it allows users to select the appropriate tools and methods based on their specific needs. 3. Content creation. Writing and blogging. Generative AI has transformed the landscape of content creation by providing writers and bloggers with powerful tools to enhance their productivity and creativity. AI-driven writing assistants can generate ideas, suggest topic outlines, and even produce entire articles based on prompts. These tools analyze existing content to understand style, tone, and structure, enabling them to produce coherent and engaging text. For bloggers, generative AI can streamline the writing process, allowing them to focus on refining their voice and message while the AI handles the initial draft. Additionally, AI can help in optimizing content for search engines, ensuring that it reaches a broader audience. By leveraging generative AI, writers can boost their creativity, save time, and maintain a consistent flow of high-quality content. 4. Visual art and design generation. Generative AI is making significant strides in the fields of visual art and design, enabling artists and designers to create unique pieces that blend human creativity with machine intelligence. Tools powered by generative algorithms can produce stunning visual content, from abstract art to detailed illustrations, based on user-defined parameters or input images. Artists can experiment with different styles and techniques, generating multiple variations of a concept in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Furthermore, AI-generated designs can inspire new ideas, allowing artists to push the boundaries of their creativity. As these tools continue to evolve, they are fostering a new wave of collaboration between artists and technology, redefining the creative process in the visual arts. 5. Music composition with AI tools. In the realm of music composition, generative AI tools are revolutionizing how musicians create and produce music. These AI systems can analyze vast amounts of musical data, learning the intricacies of different genres, structures, and styles. With this knowledge, they can generate original melodies, harmonies, and rhythms, assisting composers in the creative process. Musicians can use AI to explore new musical ideas, collaborate with virtual assistants, and even produce entire tracks. Additionally, AI-generated music can serve as a foundation for further refinement, allowing artists to infuse their personal touch. As technology advances, generative AI is set to become an invaluable partner for musicians, enhancing their creativity and expanding their artistic possibilities. 6. Video production and animation. Generative AI is making waves in the video production and animation industries by streamlining processes and enhancing creative storytelling. AI tools can assist in script writing, analyzing successful narratives and suggesting plot points, character arcs, and dialogue. Additionally, generative AI can automate the editing process, intelligently selecting clips, transitions, and effects to create polished videos efficiently. In animation, AI can generate lifelike movements and facial expressions, saving animators significant time while allowing them to focus on creative decisions. Furthermore, AI-driven tools can create entirely new animated scenes based on user input, providing endless possibilities for creators. As generative AI continues to evolve, it is poised to redefine the landscape of video production, making high-quality content creation more accessible to creators of all backgrounds. 7. Game development and interactive experiences in game development. Generative AI is revolutionizing how developers create interactive experiences by enabling the dynamic generation of content, including narratives, characters, and environments. AI algorithms can analyze player behavior and preferences, adapting gameplay and storylines in real time to enhance engagement and immersion. This allows for more personalized gaming experiences, where no two playthroughs are the same. Moreover, generative AI can streamline the design process by creating vast open worlds, unique quests, and diverse character models, significantly reducing development time and costs. As the gaming industry continues to embrace AI technologies, the potential for more engaging and responsive gaming experiences will only grow, offering players unprecedented levels of interactivity and creativity. 8. Personalization in marketing and advertising. Generative AI is transforming marketing and advertising by enabling brands to create personalized content tailored to individual preferences and behaviors. AI algorithms can analyze consumer data to generate targeted advertisements, email campaigns, and social media content that resonates with specific audiences. This level of personalization enhances customer engagement and improves conversion rates, as consumers are more likely to respond to content that aligns with their interests. Additionally, generative AI can automate the content creation process, producing multiple variations of ads quickly, allowing marketers to A/B test different approaches and refine their strategies based on real-time feedback. By harnessing generative AI, businesses can elevate their marketing efforts, fostering deeper connections with their customers and driving brand loyalty. 9. Collaboration between humans and AI. The collaboration between human creativity and generative AI is reshaping creative workflows, allowing artists, writers, and designers to leverage the strengths of both parties. While generative AI excels at analyzing vast datasets and generating content quickly, humans bring emotional intelligence, intuition, and context to the creative process. This partnership can lead to innovative outcomes, as AI tools assist in idea generation, exploration, and refinement, while humans provide the final touch that makes the work resonate with audiences. Successful collaboration involves understanding the strengths and limitations of generative AI, ensuring that the technology complements human creativity rather than replacing it. As this partnership continues to evolve, it will foster a new era of creativity that combines the best of both worlds. 10. Ethical considerations and future of generative AI. As generative AI continues to advance, ethical considerations surrounding its use in creative tasks are becoming increasingly important. Issues such as copyright, data privacy, and bias in AI-generated content raise questions about the implications of using these technologies. For instance, the potential for AI to produce content that resembles existing works raises concerns about intellectual property rights and originality. Additionally, bias in training data can lead to biased outputs, impacting the diversity and representation in creative fields. Addressing these ethical challenges requires ongoing dialogue among technologists, creators, and policymakers to establish guidelines and frameworks for responsible AI use. As we move forward, a thoughtful approach to generative AI will be essential in shaping a future where technology enhances creativity while respecting ethical boundaries. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.